if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
Just fam, welcome back again to this channel. It's your girl here from Miss Breezy, and you're highly welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, you're welcome to this channel. Please subscribe and be part of this family. I'm eating the apple the half of the remaining apple I gave Owen. I just add it to his egg because Owen likes apple. He likes apple, so I just decided to add half of it to his egg that is taken for breakfast. So I myself am going to be taking this for breakfast. I don't really like to do breakfast sometimes, so since this one is remaining, I just decided to take it. Anyway, welcome to this vlog, guys. Today is Sunday. Today is Sunday. I was about to go to church, but I didn't really wake up late. I didn't wake up early. My alarm was ringing. I didn't hear it because I normally leave my phone in the sitting room. Each time I want to go and sleep, I leave my phone in the sitting room because I want my alarm to ring so that I'll be able to stand up and go and get it. Because if I leave it in my room, if I leave my phone in my room, even though the alarm is ringing, I'll just raise my hair off the alarm, then let me sleep a little bit. I'll just sleep off. So because of that, I normally like to keep my phone in the sitting room. I don't want to stop while sleeping because some notifications, my phone normally makes sound, and I don't like to put my phone in silent in case there's important call coming, so that I will know in case money they call, you know. In case money they call, so that I'll quick pre-cam. You got me right? So I was not able to go to church today, but still, yes, I watch online preaching. And I prayed. I'm liking this my new color of hair. The color I had on before, I didn't really like it. I colored it yesterday, and I think I make a vlog while I was doing it. I dyed the hair myself and I vlog it. I like this new color. This is the perfect color for me. Yeah. So if you are like me who did not go to church today, let me know in the comment section. Do you go to church on Sunday? Did you go to church? I don't know when you are seeing when you are going to be seeing this video, but it might not be on Sunday. But guys, do you go to church on Sunday? Don't lie. Owen has finished his food. This bottle he's using to drink milk. This is the first time I'm actually using this bottle for him since I got it. I even thought he was not going to drink the milk because of the bottle. He drank the milk, but he has not finished it. He's still drinking it, although he later finished it though. So because of what he did to his feeding bottle, he have used it to tear the mouth of the feeding bottle. Imagine this is what Owen did to his feeding bottle. Do you see how he used it to cut them off? That is what he did to all his feeding bottle. I'm thinking of getting new ones very soon though. New mouth for the bottles. But for now, he will be using the other one. You see what this boy was doing, trying to leave his chair. That is what he normally do. And right now I'm trying to like buy a new chair for him that I can put him, and I'll bet him in the chair. That is the other children's chair. That's the one I'm going to buy very soon by God's grace. I don't know yet, I don't know when yet, but I'll be getting that soon. Put him in his chair. He normally come down by himself. At least I want to teach him how to stay one place, because this boy, he doesn't stay one place, so they stay one place. This inyash, not they let her sit down for one place. I want to quickly go downstairs to go and get care. Oh wait, come on, leave there. I just came back. This is what I want to go and get. This pear, and I got some grapes as well. I like grapes. I saw this one is very fresh, so I decided to just get little of it. It's nice.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this unlove, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
This pear is expensive if you go to store to go and buy it, but if you go to street market to get it, you will see it more cheaper to get. But if you go to store to go and get it, it's kind of expensive. I bought this 2 pear and this grape, €4, almost €5. It's expensive in store. If it was street market self, I'll see this one to buy €1. Oh, nice.
Many hours later.
Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. How are you? Yeah, come. Bring your arm. Yeah, you have to give me one. Sharing is caring, oh sharing is fun. We can all share together. Owen and his dad have been sleeping. We wanted to make a video today, me and Owen's dad, but they have been sleeping since I'm the only one who doesn't sleep afternoon sleep in this house. They have been sleeping since I didn't sleep. The weather is kind of changing. I don't know what's going on. I watched this lady's video where she showed us that it was raining in Italy. I think that is the same thing that wants to happen here now, because the weather have just changed. I don't understand it. This one's supposed to be summer. Come on. Thank God say I don't go beach. Even if you want rain. Guys, thank God I've go to beach. Even if you want to rain, it's free to rain. I don't care anymore. Seriously, I find it very difficult to find films on this Netflix to watch. Although I like Korean films. I like Korean films a lot. all those their season films, but it normally take time to finish, to complete the full season. Sometimes it take me like 2 weeks to complete one full film, one full film. So if you have any suggestion, if you know any interesting film on Netflix, please suggest it for me. Leave it in the comment section. I would love to watch it, because I find it really difficult to find movie on this, to find film, I mean, on this Netflix. I don't know why. I think I'm going to be ending the vlog here. See you guys in my next video. Okay, for now I'll be saying goodbye, bye.